Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna review my brand new Narwal Freo 20. Here you can see it, it's right behind me. I've been testing this robot vacuum for a few weeks now and I have some first impressions and some thoughts. If you are wondering if this robot is for you, I'm gonna share all the pros and cons and we will find out together if this is the right choice for your home. So first things first, the main selling point of this robot vacuum is that it doesn't have rotating mopping pad, but it has a special track mop, not a spinning pad and not a round roller. So it's different from all the other robot vacuums on the market right now. It has 16 nozzles and it uses 140 degrees Fahrenheit fresh water in real time. So while the vacuum is mopping your floors, it's cleaning it with hot water. So this robot never mops your floor with dirty water. It's constantly cleaning the track mop with hot and fresh cleaning water, which is amazing because if you know me, I've shared already that all the robot vacuums that I had, even the $2,000 ones, like super expensive ones with the rotating mopping pads, I would need to scrub my floors with a brush and it's kind of a pain in the ass, but it's something that I just do it because I just love to deep clean my floors. But technically with this water, because it constantly is washing the track mop, it should never use any dirty water. So hopefully this issue will be fixed and I'm gonna definitely get back to you guys after a few months. Before I got this robot vacuum, I literally scrubbed my whole apartment. All the floors here, I have vinyl floors and they have all those crevices that dirt gets into, and basically you have to scrub it off because otherwise it's in there. So you know, the top layer of the floor will be clean, but underneath, like in all those crevices, there will be so much dirt that you can only scrub it away. So I'm gonna definitely test this feature out and see if this new track mop with hot water will actually fix this issue. I really hope it will. And with the track mop, basically it has a little scraper built into the robot that removes all the dirt continuously. As long as the track mop is rotating, it's basically getting rid of all the dirt. So this should be amazing. It's also using 12N pressure in one pass to really get all the dirt out, and this is especially important if you have any stains or any even fresh stains. You know, with the rotating mopping pads, basically all the stains would be nicely spread out through your apartment and it just, the robot vacuums did not work for any fresh stains because it would just spread all over the room until the robot would go back to the station to clean it. With this robot vacuum, the track is constantly clean, so there is no contamination issue, which is so amazing. Now, the other selling feature of this robot vacuum is technology, and I had two or three, actually I had three Narwal robot vacuums and I have to confirm that they all had amazing zero tangle technology. I never had issues with any of my hair getting tangled on the brushes. Yeah, basically it's truly amazing for people with long hair, with pets. It works. So yeah, technically it's SGS certified up to 99.56% hair captured. So you don't have to, you know, go in there and try to like rip all the hair out. It gets rid of all the hair. It all gets sucked into the dustbin. So you just don't have to spend time and, you know, try to clean this brush because it's just time consuming. So this saves you so much time, so much frustration. I love it. So like I said, the main brush is zero tangle as well as the side brushes. They have been designed reverse to release the hair, so you won't find any hair on the side brushes as well as the main brush, which is amazing. I can confirm. So far it's been working. Now let's talk about navigation and suction power. So this robot has 31 PA suction power, which is insane. It's extremely strong. And what I honestly, when I got this robot vacuum, when I first started running it, I was shocked because I never owned a robot vacuum that was that quiet. And even the strong suction power, and it was still insanely quiet. And it's so much quieter than any other robot vacuums on the market. It's honestly insane. Even my previous Narwal Z Ultra was super quiet, but this one is just another level. I don't even know how they do it, but if you want the quietest robot vacuum, Narwal, it is. That's it. Like, there's nothing else. I tested so many other brands, and even the ones that claim that are quiet are not quiet. This is the only one. Like, it's literally silent. When it was mopping my place, it was completely silent. Like, you could not hear it. Like, it's crazy. And even when it's running, it's so quiet. I love it. Like, for me, honestly, this is like the selling feature. I love the track mop. I love the zero tangle, but just how quiet this robot is. You can't find anything else like this. And the navigation is super fast. It took 6 minutes to map all my apartment, which is pretty fast. And I loved watching it, how like it would be so like zippy and nimble, and it just would get in all the corners super fast. So the navigation is great. It just, whenever I look at it working, I can tell it's much smarter than some of the other robot vacuums that I had, which is like, some people don't care about it, but like, if you want your robot to work fast, if like, you know, you work from home and it matters to you that like the robot will vacuum everything in very short period of time, the navigation was smart. So like, I don't ever have issues with Narwhal getting stuck on like the floor mat, any cables. It recognizes it, and you can even see in the app, it actually like takes pictures, which is so cute. It will like show you a picture of a cable right here, and it has a light. So it will even like, you can see very well, there's a cable. It's underneath my island. It's very dark there, but because it used the light and took a picture, like you can see clearly. So the navigation is amazing. All the other robot vacuums, like, they always still get stuck on the floor mats. I don't know what it is, but somehow Narwhal so far is the only robot vacuum that doesn't get on that damn floor mat that I have in the bathroom. So I gotta say, I really appreciate it. And the other thing which I wanted to mention about the navigation is that the cameras that are built into this robot vacuum, first of all, you can actually turn on the cameras. You can look around your home when it's vacuuming. It can like basically go and look for your pet. There's a special icon here, here, and it gives you like all the pet modes, but you can also go in and just like see the live view from the robot vacuum. You can go around your place and check it out with this robot vacuum. It can recognize over 300 different objects. So it will basically pop up in your application. You can see, okay, there's something here on your floor, and you can actually check, and it will usually recognize pretty correctly. Oh, it's a pet, or it's a cable, or it's clothing piece or plastic. So it works pretty well. The other thing which got upgraded is that now this robot climbs over 4 centimeters, which is amazing. So if you have any thresholds, it's honestly, it will just climb over, no problem. I had an issue with one of my older robot vacuums. I had a threshold that was around 1 centimeter, even actually less than 1 centimeter, to the bathroom, and I literally ran it maybe like 4 times, and that robot unfortunately got broken, and I had to fix it. I had to change the wheels on that robot vacuum, and then I just couldn't really use it because just the threshold, it just could not keep up. Like the wheels just weren't built for that. So with Narwal Freo 20, you don't have to worry about any thresholds. This robot will literally climb, and it works amazing. And it also has pretty low profile. It's only 9.5 centimeters tall. So basically it fits under a lot of furniture. It fits under my island. So That's important. It's under my dresser. There is also a new feature which is called baby mode. So basically you can select certain rooms, and you can select that it's a quiet room, so the robot will be extra quiet when it goes to vacuum that room and mop it. But a part of that, there's also a dust bag that is 2.4 liters, so it should last for 120 days usually. Like, I compact them and somehow it lasts even longer. Like, I rarely change my bags. I should probably change them more often, but somehow they like really last a long time. So that's great. And this robot vacuum also has fast charging, so basically if you have bigger space and you know, the robot has to recharge during your session, it will have the fast charging, so it shouldn't take as long as with some other robot vacuums. It's not something that I'm concerned about. It doesn't actually use that much battery when it's vacuuming and mopping my place, but if you have a bigger space, this will definitely come handy. Now, let's talk about cons, because none of the robot vacuums are without cons. And the first thing that I want to mention, so my Narwal Z Ultra had the automatic detergent dispenser, which I loved. It's honestly such a great feature. This robot vacuum does not have that. So basically, if I want to add detergent to the clean water tank, I have to do it manually. It comes actually here. So it came with this floor detergent. So basically you have to apply it manually to the water tank, which for some people, of course, I know it's gonna be a pain. That's a bummer. That's one thing. Definitely that may be a deal breaker for some. But honestly, the floors are pretty clean, just because the track mop is being constantly washed and it's scraped too, just to remove all the dirt. Like, I check the track mop after running it and it's very clean, so I'm a lot less concerned with using the detergent just because of that. But I wanted to mention it because I know for some people who used to using a detergent just for like a scent, that might be a deal breaker. There is also an antimicrobial module that comes with Narwal, and you can just install it into your clean water tank. Also, I love that it comes with extra filter as well as dust bag. That's so nice. A lot of other robot vacuums, they just don't add those accessories. You have to buy separately. But yes, this is it. This is my review of the brand new Narwal Freo 20. Basically, to summarize everything, if you are looking for a robot vacuum that will be having a superior zero tangle technology, if you are looking for a robot vacuum that will deep clean your floors, it will not push the dirty water into those crevices. If you have vinyl floors, that's gonna be huge because they just have so many like areas where like the dirt gets in. So if you're using the mopping pads that are not being constantly washed, that dirt will still get ingrained. That was my issue. The only way to solve it is to constantly wash the track mop. So with this robot vacuum, that issue is supposed to be solved, but so far I'm really liking this robot vacuum. Oh, one more thing. Make sure to update your robot vacuum when you first get it, because I was trying to update it when I first installed it. It didn't get updated. I forgot about it, and then in the middle of the night it started talking to me saying, oh, auto update, blah blah blah. Just make sure to basically set up the not disturb mode, because otherwise it's gonna start talking to you. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'm gonna prepare another long-term review of this robot vacuum in a few months. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye.